Let's talk about sundowning in the dying person. So first of all, what is sundowning? So sundowning in the dying person is basically when the sun starts to go down. So sometime in the late afternoon, sometimes it's actually early afternoon, it's evening time, it's when the sun is starting to go down, it's starting to get dark. The dying person gets a little anxious, they get agitated, they get restless, they get confused, maybe they start to wander, they start to get sort of out of sorts in a way. We don't totally understand why this happens, why sundowning happens, but here are a few things that you might consider so that you can try to decrease the dying person's late afternoon agitation or confusion or restlessness. So I would wonder about things like pain. Are they constipated? Do they have to poop? Do they have to pee? Are they wet? Do they need to be cleaned? Are they in an uncomfortable position? Are they hungry? Are they thirsty? Are they bored? And many other things, but that is a small list. If you are working with hospice or maybe palliative care, then I would definitely suggest talking with your healthcare team, whoever that is. Sundowning is oftentimes treated without medication, and it's more just like figure out what the trigger is and really focusing on the trigger, but sometimes medications can be used.